I recall how a few years ago you reported on a session I had in McDonald's, engaging with young people, and you asked me a question about our policy on Myanmar. And you reported on it. There was a little bit of controversy in the internet. I thought we had a very good exchange. Some points I felt were inaccurate. Other points I happily considered. And I must say that some of those ideas which you yourself put forth, I've incorporated into Singapore's foreign policy on Myanmar. And our position today is not bad because we have links to both the government and to the opposition. And we are in a more comfortable, in a fairer position today. If you were doing it just to demolish me politically, then I might have made moves to defend myself politically. But the ideas themselves, if they're useful, I'm more than happy to incorporate them because it's good for Singapore.